Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to HHM Lifestyle, where we're here glamorizing the chaos. So it is the middle end of winter. It's dry, it's cold outside. So tonight we are breaking down my top skincare picks for winter and these cold months to keep your skin looking and feeling fresh. So let's dive right in. Okay guys, thanks again for tuning in. Today we are talking all about my top picks for my winter skincare. I actually changed up my skincare routine about a month ago and it has made the world of difference. It's so dry in New York right now. It's so cold, it's dry, it's miserable. And my skin has been just dry and just hasn't felt good. So I did some research a couple months ago and found the skincare brand that I've absolutely fallen in love with, and the products have completely transformed my skin this winter, so I have to share with you guys. All right, so the brand is Biossance. I actually got them as a sample and I've absolutely love the products. So Biossance is the brand and it's a very clean brand. So they are, I'm talking like cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free. It actually has an EWG certification, which any single time you see EWG, it is like the highest standards of like certification you can get for skincare products. It's like the most trusted mark there is. So whenever you see that, you know, like, okay, that's a trusted like mark that is a very clean green product for my skin, my face. So that's a big reason why I love the brand too. They're also a very green company. They're very open about their ingredients and everything, where they source it. A very green company. Even when you purchase the products, it comes in very green, reusable, recyclable packaging. Every single product that you purchase is recyclable as well. That's important to me. I love brands like that. I think it's so important. And you know, your skin is biggest organ on your face. You have to realize what you're putting on your skin gets absorbed into your body. We don't want to put chemicals on our skin. We're just going to absorb it. So it's very important to have clean products. So diving right in, the first product I tried that I absolutely love, it is the Biossance Squalane and Copper Rapid Plumping Serum. All right, so I saw this and I was like, what the heck is this squalane? Like, what is this? Couple things. Your body actually makes this like squalane oil. It's an oil that your body actually produces, and it's part of the natural skin barrier. It helps just create moisture, locks in moisture, helps to kind of plump your skin. It's something that diminishes over time as you get older. You know, I'm in my mid-30s, so I'm starting to see, you know, some fine lines, some wrinkles. So I'm trying to get into more skincare products for like that aging skin. I know, it is what it is, ladies. They came out with this Squalane Copper Peptide Wrapping Plumping Serum. And I've been looking for kind of a serum to kind of like plump up my face a little bit. I just felt like it looked dull. And I've tried a couple things, and let me tell you, this not only does it plump up my skin, but it really moisturizes it. Absolutely awesome. So the copper peptides actually helps produce collagen, and obviously we know that collagen helps with elasticity, the plumpness, the firmness, fine lines. You know, collagen's super important, especially as you age. It's a serum, and it's beautiful too. It's like this blue color, and I put a couple, put a little in my hand, I put it on my face, and it's like a serum that's just really good to lock in the moisture and kind of plump your skin in the process. I absolutely love this. I can't tell you enough how much I love this. Beautiful product, love it. So I go in with this, and then after that I go in with the Biossance Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream Moisturizer. Guys, this is the most richest, decadent moisturizer I have ever used without being greasy. It's so hard in the wintertime to find a moisturizer that's thick and moisturizing but not greasy. This is it. This is the product. It's amazing, guys. It's absolutely amazing. The omega in it is actually like a lipid, and it mimics the natural skin barrier of your face. It just feels so good. It's so moisturizing. My skin has not felt dry or flaky or that tight feeling ever since I started using it. It's amazing. Obviously it has a squalane in it too, so it's going to help plump your skin while it moisturizes it. It's amazing. I love this stuff. I cannot tell you how much I love it. I honestly look forward to it like every morning and night. It's amazing. Both products are a little pricey, so they're around 50, 60 bucks. Like I said, I got samples when I started this. So like I say all the time, go to Ulta, Sephora, get samples. I actually got this on the Biossance website because you can get 20% off your first order. So I got it through the actual website. It's pricey, but this is huge. Like this is gonna last me for months, so it lasts a very long time. Actually, an interesting fact about the squalane is they actually used to get it from sharks and whales. They used to like hunt for it, and that's awful. They used to get it from the livers of sharks, like the oil. They hunted it. So this Berkeley Labs and the Biossance company actually created their own plant-based version of the squalane from sugarcane. So I thought that was super interesting. After I go in with the serum moisturizer, then I obviously go in with their eye cream. This is actually a sample. So this is one of the samples I got. That's how big the samples are. So I've still been rocking the sample. So this is the Squalane plus Marine Algae Eye Cream. Again, super moisturizing for under the eye area, and helps plump too. So as we age, we want it to be moisturized and plumped under our eyes. Lastly, one product I've been using this winter is the Lawless Forget the Filler. This is actually a lip treatment. So this is not the Biossance brand, this is a different brand, but this is just the last thing I use at night, and just to really help plump the lips, because again, in the winter time, it's super dry. My lips get super cracked and chapped, and just this is awesome at night. It just really helps moisturize, plump the lips, help them looking beautiful. So that is my nighttime skincare routine. And now that it's evening time, why don't we just go in the bathroom and I can show you guys firsthand how I use these products. So let's go. Okay, so first I cleansed my face, of course, with the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Love this stuff, super gentle. So I'm actually going to start by using the Glow Recipe toner, and this is the watermelon line. And I just put a little on a pad here and just put it over my face. It's just kind of a toner, helps clean out those pores. Any last bit of makeup or oil on my face just gets off. Plus it smells super good. So now that I'm done doing that, it's time for my favorite part. So this is that Biossance Squalane Serum. This, guys, look at this color. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's this gorgeous blue color. Look at that. It's so pretty. Absolutely just gorgeous. So I just pat that all over my face. I really like to press it into my face. Don't forget the neck. Gotta do the neck too. So I just press it into my face. Again, that just helps lock in that moisture, and it just feels absolutely amazing on your face. I absolutely love this stuff. Then, of course, I go in with the Squalane Omega Moisturizer, and look how thick and decadent this is, and it smells amazing. It's so moisturizing, guys. Like, I cannot even begin to tell you. Like, it just feels absolutely amazing on your face. It's just, I can't even explain it. It's so creamy, it's so decadent, and again, it's not greasy at all. It just absorbs into your face without any greasy residue at all. It's absolutely amazing. And then, of course, I go in with that eye cream, and I just put just a little bit under my eye. A little is all you need, just enough to kind of pat underneath the eye area and rub that all in, just get that absorbed. Again, just helps plump and moisturize under the eye area. Last but not least, I go in with the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Mask. Again, this stuff is just so moisturizing, and it gives your lips a nice little glossy glow. Super moisturizing, absolutely love it, and that's my skincare routine, guys. Okay, guys, thanks again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your favorite skincare products, especially in these winter months. And again, like always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel. I absolutely love your support, and stay happy, healthy moms. Have a great night. Bye, guys.